Hey guys, a warm welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out a 3D printer that's been getting a lot of attention lately, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M. If you're someone who has been into 3D printing for a while, or even if you're just getting started, this printer brings a ton of performance and convenience features that make it stand out from the crowd. I've spent a solid amount of time testing it, pushing its speed, printing different types of models, and here's what I've learned from real hands-on use. First up, let's talk about the headline feature: 600 mm high-speed printing. This thing is fast. Really fast. And what's surprising is that even at higher speeds, the print quality doesn't take a big hit. Usually, with most budget or mid-range 3D printers, you have to choose between speed and detail. But with the Adventurer 5M, I was consistently getting clean, accurate prints at speeds that seriously cut down on print time. For anyone who is tired of waiting hours on end for a single print to finish, this is a major win. That speed is made possible in part by the CoreXY all-metal structure, which adds serious stability. It's rigid, solid, and doesn't vibrate all over the place, even during faster moves. That translates to fewer printing errors, cleaner lines, and overall better results. Whether you're printing figurines, prototypes, or functional parts, the structural stability gives you that reliability you need. And since it's a CoreXY design, you also get smoother motion, which is ideal for more complex geometries. Now onto one of my favorite features: fully auto leveling. Let's be honest, bed leveling has always been one of the most annoying parts of 3D printing. With the Adventurer 5M, you don't have to touch a single knob. The printer does it all for you automatically, and it does a great job. My first layer adhesion has been solid on every print I've done so far, with zero warping issues. This feature alone makes it beginner-friendly and a huge time saver for experienced users. Another big highlight is the 280 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder, which gives you a lot of flexibility when it comes to materials. PLA, PETG, TPU, and even some of the more advanced filaments are no problem. The 3-second detachable nozzle is also a brilliant touch. No more struggling with tools or waiting for everything to cool down when you want to swap nozzles. Just pop it off and pop on a new one. It makes maintenance way less intimidating and saves you a ton of time. The print size of 220x220x220 mm is right in that sweet spot, big enough for most projects but still compact enough to fit comfortably on a desk or in a home workshop. It's a good balance, especially considering the speed and performance it offers. I printed everything from large cosplay props to small mechanical parts, and it's handled them all beautifully. Setup out of the box was refreshingly simple. It's mostly pre-assembled, and the instructions were clear and straightforward. Within about 20 to 30 minutes, I was already loading filament and starting my first test print. The touchscreen interface is intuitive, and navigating through settings, file selection, and printer status is easy even if you're new to 3D printing. Connectivity-wise, the Adventurer 5M supports USB, Wi-Fi, and cloud printing, which makes remote monitoring and managing prints super convenient. I tested the cloud functionality with FLASHFORGE's platform and it worked great, especially useful if you're managing prints from another room or even on the go. Noise levels are surprisingly low for a machine that prints this fast. I've had it running in the same room while working, and it wasn't disruptive at all. Of course, like any printer, there's some sound, but it's way quieter than older models I've used in the past. If I had to nitpick, I'd say the slicer software could be a bit more modern looking and responsive, but it works well enough and supports all the main features. And while the 220mm build area is solid, If you're looking to print really large items in one go, this might not be the size you need. But for most users including hobbyists, makers, and even professionals doing prototyping, it's more than sufficient. Overall, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is a high-speed, high-precision 3D printer that offers a user-friendly experience with features that genuinely make a difference. Between the fast print speeds, auto-leveling, detachable nozzle, and solid structure, it's hard to find a better value at this price point. Whether you're a beginner looking for ease of use or a veteran looking to upgrade to something faster and more reliable, this machine ticks all the boxes. Click the link below for the best price, and as always, thanks for watching and supporting the channel. Catch you in the next one.